So, playing this game, beating bad guys. Damn it. Alright. I hate it. I hate this game. I hate going there. Nope. Nope. Not going in there. Okay. Now. Look stupid. Alright. Alright. Oh. Man. On the teleporter line. Look, I'm the Team Galactic boss. And I'm on TV. Look at me. I can talk to stuff. Alright, bye. Through the teleporter. Oh, crap. I can't do that in there. Then I have to go through this. Oh, I like that music. That music was awesome. Fine. Be in this stupid sciencey lab. My Pokemon are almost dead. I bet I'll just use... I guess I'll just use Aggron. Now, do I have any revives? Please tell me I have revives. So if I don't, only one revive. What should I use it on? Mori. Yeah, because I went bankrupt. Yeah. Alright, let's go kill some stuff. Yeah. Awesome. What's that? Full restore. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Crap. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm definitely dead, man. Look at all these. Look. Do I have to verse them all? I bet I don't. I'm just gonna verse this guy. This guy is stupid, sucky Pokemon. I hope he does. Oh, I hope he does. Oh. Let's just verse Cyrus anyway. I don't care. Bam, bam, bam. Ah, I shouldn't do that. Now, Iron Tail would do good. You won't do much. Oh, my ass. Scratch. But I shouldn't say that. It sounds weird. Okay, let's go. Kill. Please kill in one hit. Awesome. I'm no way near a noob like my other friends. Yeah. Yeah, my owner's the best. Look, my Aggron is the best. I got the best Aggron ever. Crap, that thing looks awesome. And it's going to kill us. No! Not the evil brick break of doom. Yep, I'm screwed. At least I've got Mori. Come on, Mori. Use the holy surf of holiness. No. 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 Please kill in one hit. Please. No. I'm going to die. Damn it, he's here. No. What am I going to say? What am I going to say if we let me lose a battle? Oops. I can't do anything. Story. Yeah. Let's just too much. It's just too much. It's just too much. No. Alright, Psyduck, you're my only hope. You were level 100 last time I checked. Damn it. Psyduck. No. 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 Too hard. I must turn the game off. Now. I hate video games.